Introduce highlight features or overview summary of BerrysParadise Foldable Dog Pool with Sprinkler, 87 inches extra large dog swimming pool. There are features include: large size, endless fun. Our pools come in extra large sizes, 2XL 87 inches, 3XL 97 inches, 4XL 106 inches. Ideal for dogs, kids, and adults. Let your cute pets and kids have fun in the water and have a great summer. Super durable. The BerrysParadise Splash Pool is made of ultra-strong 0.5 mm PVC and high-strength PP plastic, designed to resist collapsing or deforming. Its textured, non-slip bottom is wear-resistant, waterproof, and non-toxic, ensuring perfect water retention. It also prevents your pet from slipping when jumping in the bath, providing a safe and fun experience. Upgraded drainage design. Featuring a bottom drain valve positioned just 0.2 inches from the bottom for quick and complete drainage, connected to a garden hose to water plants or drain directly into a pipe. The top overflow valve acts as a water level emitter, preventing overflows when left open. This dual drainage system ensures easy maintenance and water-saving convenience for your pet pool. Easy to use. Simply unfold, fill with water, up to 80% capacity, and enjoy. No air pump needed, set up in seconds. For extended durability, we recommend trimming your pet's nails to protect the pool's inner walls. Multifunction design. The foldable pet dog pool is widely suitable for cats, dogs, or other pets who like to paddle or play in the water. The dog splash pool not only helps your pet cool down quickly, but can also be used as a training play pool, baby and dog bathtub, children's pool, outdoor swimming pool, ocean ball pool, dog whelping box, and more. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.